Welcome back to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Marcus.com, located at the provided URL https://www.marcus.com/us/en, presents itself as a financial platform. Although a detailed exploration of its specific services wasn't offered in the provided transcript, the link suggests a focus on banking and investment products. Visiting the website allows for a deeper dive into these offerings, which may include high-yield savings accounts, certificates of deposit, CDS, personal loans, and potentially investment platforms or robo-advisors. Marcus, often associated with Goldman Sachs, aims to provide user-friendly and accessible financial tools for individuals. A full understanding of the available services, fees, and terms requires a visit to the official Marcus website. It's crucial to always perform thorough research and compare various financial institutions before committing to any specific product or service. Consider factors such as interest rates, account minimums, fees, and the overall reputation of the financial institution. With the dynamic landscape of the financial world, ensuring your chosen platform aligns with your specific financial goals and risk tolerance is paramount. Additional research into Marcus's parent company, Goldman Sachs, and its financial standing can provide further insight and confidence. Don't hesitate to explore independent reviews and user testimonials to get a broader perspective on the platform's performance and customer satisfaction. For a complete and up-to-date overview of Marcus's offerings, navigate directly to their website. This allows for a personalized exploration of the services relevant to your individual financial needs and goals. Remember, responsible financial planning involves careful consideration and informed decision-making. Always prioritize your financial well-being and seek expert advice when necessary.